and shit too. So thank you, GoPowerSports, and I'll be out there to see you guys in Texas sometime too.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call to quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out.
What's up, everyone? It's Bernie the Video Guy, GoPowerSports. Zane and I had a project right down the street from the famous Joe's Minibike reunion, and we got there right in time for Cackle Fest. Let's go ahead and chat with a few old friends and see what they brought to the show.
What's up, guys? We're at JMBR, Jake Moe. Just going to show you guys a quick rundown of some of the bikes that I helped out with this year. So this bike, I was actually up till like 4 in the morning, helping my buddy Arly kind of get this one together for the show. So it's still kind of under construction, but it's got a billet animal. It's one of my frames, full custom frame, custom tank. And yeah, it should go really fast. He entered that into the drag class.
Hey, it's me. It's Arly Built. You can find me on Instagram at my race club is AVR Minibike Club, High Desert. We just made this custom JMO exhaust last night. I have JD make this seat. And then this is a billet animal, the power plant, which is the motor that I built. It is about 370 cc's of pure horsepower. I got a 4-disc bully clutch, the 3-disc a burn up, so 4-disc is probably gonna be the better option.
And then here's another bike here. This is my buddy Daniel's.
Who's selling it?
He is selling it, yeah. This is a bike that I built. This one actually started as a GTS frame, but I pretty much modified everything else, the engine plate, how the rear axle mounts. We converted it to live axle. He went out and had somebody do all the polishing of the aluminum and engraving. And yeah, powder coat, engraving, polish, came out really nice. And we're really happy with that one. I think that one currently holds the record on the dyno. So I think it laid down like almost 35 horsepower on the dyno
How
to
much?
the wheel. 35.
What?
Yeah, and that one's a cast block billet head.
Them kind of knocked it out the park with all the engraving. You got the valve cover engraved, front rim, gas tank, rear rim, valve cover, and he also got the cover plate engraved as well. Nothing's really generic, you know, especially when we're building these crazy motors. Right now I just did 30 plus on the dyno. Still need a couple of little more bugs to be tweaked on the carb. I just rebuilt it, but other than that, she ready.
Have you been to the 180 yet?
I have not been to the 180, but everybody keeps talking to me about it.
Yeah.
So
Love to get you out there for that.
I think that'd be fun. I go out there and compete with Bobby, right?
Yeah. All right, man. Yeah, so good seeing you.
Yeah, you too. I love the podcast. I like it.
I'm gonna chase the tempo, okay. Tell them I can't play it safe. Got more wins on the way. Gotta show them how to do it. Man, my team making plays. Okay, your team better play on. You know me, wake up.
Look, everybody, we're live. This is Minibike reunion, 12th annual, sponsored by GoPowerSports. About 200 bikes, about maybe, I don't know, 2,000 people, 20 vendors. It's going to be awesome. Thank you for your support.
Hell yeah.
Hi, my name is OG. I'm from LAX. We're at Joe's Minibike Reunion 2024, and we're here right now at the dyno. We're dynoing some bikes. They're all mural built, so we're just trying to see which one's like the best one out of all of them. Just gives us more opportunity to see what we could do to make them faster. This is one of our crew members' bikes. This is LAX Pepe. This is his, I think this is a 2.8. Yeah, it's a 2.8 billet head. Has a Tillotson carburetor, bully clutch. It's fully built, stroker. And it's a GT's roller too. So repping LAX mini bikes. You can find us at lax.minibikes.
What are we doing?
Hey guys, Eric here, hanging out at the JMBR this year, 2024. We're here to see all the cool bikes. sponsor the show with a lot of other good sponsors, and just enjoying the weather.
You got any favorites yet?
Yeah, I can't reveal them yet because I am a judge, but there's a couple local guys I'll say I think have the edge, but there's some really nice trikes and drag bikes out there.
So, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
This is our third year being here, representing. As you see, every time we come here, you'll see our canopy, our members.
We do come deep.
We're here to just check out all the bikes, man, have a good time.
My name is Mario from 605.
I'm Slack from 605. We're in the city of La Crescenta.
Not that many. I'm about 12, 15.
There's like, about over 10 bikes.
Yeah.
This baby or that baby?
Give it to me.
My name's Damon Avalis. My Instagram is at Minibike Kartel. We're at Joe's Minibike Reunion 2024. Yeah, this is the latest project, the yellow trike. Based it off of a Porsche. It's not done yet. We have a few things we have to do on it, but I think it was good enough.
Walk me through it.
This is the thing right here that we just came up with about a month ago, the wing, and we just went off on it. Everything's custom on it, from the fenders, the gas tank. We changed the bars up. Bars are handmade. It's electric start. Of course, the wheelie bars. This thing will ride wheelies too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Nice.
it'll ride right down to the seat. That seat was built by Stitch Labs. She went off on it, man. She makes motorcycle seats. We contacted her, and then she hooked it up. This one is basically just a stock motor box we put a 7.5 inch stretch on it, and it's live axle. Usually they have the standard axles on it. The motor is completely built, billet everything, ported, polished head, and this thing gets it. People think it's a garage queen, man. I did the Go Minibike Day on this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
JMBR is one of those events that truly is for everyone. There's space for the cruisers, dyno for the racers. It's for families, young and old. Getting to catch up with the people I usually see only on the interwebs is definitely a plus. Like go-kart expert Jacob Sherwood, who lent his experience to be a judge.
Here we go.
All right.
Ladies and gents, Joe's Minibike Reunion 2024. Jacob Sherwood. I was blessed enough to get the go-kart judge. What a turnout. Every year we get everyone from this little industry we're in bringing out the best. And it's good to see GoPowerSports out here. It's good to see a lot of young kids getting into it. Looking at people that are 60 plus that have been in the game since day one. So Joe's Minibike Reunion, man, that's all I gotta say.
No.
Sweet.
No, thank you.
Appreciate you.
Well, I'm Jocelyn. I'm with DingoMoto and we make electric mini bikes.
Let's check it out.
Mine is a little bit different. So our traditional bikes you'll see are hardtails, but mine has a swing arm in the back, so we could do a little bit more off-roading. This is my personal bike. You can see all the colors that it has. So mine is the pup model, so I'm a little shorter. I'm not even 5 foot tall, so my frame is smaller. I also wanted to go off-roading, so like I mentioned, I have a swing arm in the back to help with the bumps. I have 2 shocks in the back. We have an electric and co system in here. We have a noisy cricket. So this box here, the shiny box, is the battery. It's a 72 volt 30 amp hour battery that I have right now.
Tell me about the seat.
Yeah, I went to the thrift shop with a friend one day and we were talking about seats. I was talking about my bike, figuring out what I wanted to do with it. And I had just bought this skirt earlier in the day. And so I went and I ran and I grabbed it and I was like, this is going to be my seat. And so the color scheme kind of all came from it. So you can see like the teal and the yellow that's coming from here. And it really reminded me of my aunt's house in Mexico. It's the same color, like blue, tealish. And I just wanted happy, colorful. So the lights are cool. There's the standard Dingo is one amber and one clear light. And you can see inside, we had to modify some, but we have some Baja lights inside of there. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe if I turn the light on, you can kind of see it. Yeah. I wanted it to look a little bit more cartoony.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
It's like, if you look at it with the lights, it looks like together.
And then it has like a little face, and then these guys, we bent this piece of aluminum, like it's just a straight piece of aluminum. We have a little Arcdroid at our shop, so we do a lot of prototyping with that. So we cut out a bunch of all of these brackets there we make, and then obviously we have or GoPowerSports shocks in the front. Yeah, so we do use GoPowerSports parts, and our partnership with y'all has been great. I think, again, everybody has been so kind and so helpful and so generous, and even our tires, I think now you guys found them for us instead of us having to struggle to do it every time in the shop.
Is this the bike that was at the Handbuilt show?
Yeah, so this one was at the Handbuilt show, it was also at the One Moto show, and now it's here at Joe's Minibike Reunion. You could find us on Instagram at DingoMoto USA, on TikTok also, and on YouTube. We're happy to help anybody who's interested in electric stuff.
Awesome.
I'm Jamie. I'm from Proton Gokart. I started building go-karts like 4 years ago, but this time I decided to do a mini bike from scratch. You know, it was a challenge because I didn't know anything about mini bikes, but I'm really glad that I have some friends here that can help me out, you know, give me some advice. I messed up sometimes, but I think it turned out good. I have another mini bike that is on the jig right now. I'm gonna try to do one electric this time. Actually, I sourced the back wheel and the tires from you guys. GoPowerSports right here in the back, guys.
You want the DingoMoto roller? Listen up, it's all yours. Congratulations, thanks our friends over at GoPowerSports. Let's get a picture.
Hey everybody, this is Daryl, BDMS, Big Daddy Motorsports. You know what it is. I'm out here at Joe's Minibike Reunion. Out here enjoying ourselves with this nice weather. All the mini bike community. We did this just to have fun with the four-wheeler right here. And this is our frame. This bike is called the Blaze with the big tires. And with the 5 or 6 inch, it's called the Flame.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm Val with DingoMoto. I'm in charge of manufacturing at DingoMoto. We came and we brought some dingos out here to display. This is the first version of the E6 model. So the E6 is a little bit longer. I needed a frame that would kind of match the height. We got a regular dingo and then we extended it 6 inches to accommodate taller riders. And then obviously this one has a side cart. The seats are actually, they're hand sewn too by Sam's aunt, our founder's aunt. So everything's made in-house. So those are more of the standard lights. We also offer Baja design lights.
Is this the GoPowerSports front end?
Yeah, so we had to modify them to put shaft collars so that it would accommodate our handlebars that fold in. I was like, that's the only real big difference. It's like, but GoPowerSport wheels. That's awesome. Thank you.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah.
So time was had, but now it's time to hop back on the plane, get back to Texas.
I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next. Just